My name is Vince Davis. My wife's Leanna. We are building a Kincaid in Highland Creek. Well, the best part of the experience so far has been the honesty and I think like the honesty about different neighborhoods, because we were looking at a different neighborhood, but like the honesty about a different neighborhood in comparison to what was available now, and just the honest and upfront nature of the way Shaw Homes has done business. With the design studio experience, I think it was really fun because like you get to choose like everything. You get to choose the house color, everything in the house. And me and my wife were in agreement on a lot of those things, but it was also really fun to like kind of look at this and look at that and see how we thought that would look long term for the whole home and for each room, et cetera, et cetera. I thought that was just really fun to like get to pick literally everything. It was a little overwhelming at times, but it's really cool at the same time. It's just like, I chose this. What I think set them apart was once again, like the openness and the honesty. I feel like it's it's a company with a lot of integrity, and they're not trying to rush through just putting up 50 houses a month. They distinctly told me, hey, we have a certain amount of houses that we do every month so we don't overload our business and whatnot. So I thought that was really cool, and they were upfront and honest about that. And I didn't think like there was any pressure when they said that. It was just like, this is what we do every month, and I thought that was really appreciated. What would I say to someone who's considering building with Shaw Homes? I really do it. They take you through every step of the way on everything. They kind of lay things out. They, give you some time frames here and there for every little thing, from the closing to the signing of the paperwork to every little piece of your home. And I thought kind of gives you peace of mind. And they were honest, like, hey, if things happen, we will come in and we'll change things if we need to. But I feel like just like from top to bottom, they have this thing down where like they know what they're doing.